In front of me is Nubia Music, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on those three dots at the top right corner to hit Format Settings and adjust them however you wish to. Then start recording thanks to this blue button, and pause it or unpause it thanks to the same one. To add a bookmark, click on flag icon, and to add a photo mark, on the camera one. Then take a pic and discard it by clicking on this X. Repeat it by tapping on this arrow, or add it by clicking on this check mark. Now to end and save your recording, hit done. Then name it and get rid of it right away by hitting the delete button, or save it by clicking on save one. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To play it, you can click on it, and then to manage it, use all of those options. If you want to, you can also click on those three dots at the top right corner and share it. To get rid of it, go back, hold it, click delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!